So you know that Help a Reporter Out is a powerful way to build genuine social proof for your business, help get you and your message in front of new audiences, and drive lots of targeted traffic back to your website. But you got to be signed up to use it. So that's what we're going to take care of today in 3 easy steps. But first, if you're new here, hi, I'm Michaela Bucchianeri, psychologist turned copy coach, and I help you bring more of your in-person magic to your online presence, attracting dream clients and customers with words that connect. So if that sounds good to you, please subscribe for new videos each week. Okay, let's get you signed up. Step 1 is to create a basic account at helpareporter.com. So once you're here on the homepage, you'll see a source for every story and 2 options. You can sign up as a member of the media or as a source. So you'll choose I'm a source. From here, you'll be shown the rules for sources. It's really worth taking the time to read through these carefully. Help a Reporter Out is a free tool, but they are quite strict about these guidelines. So you want to make sure that you're clear on everything so that you don't accidentally violate one of them and get yourself kicked out. So once you've given that a read, scroll up here to sign up. And this will bring you to the sign up page for their basic subscription package. It's completely free and it's all you need to get in there and use this service. So come down here and go ahead and input your information. Now, a quick note about email here. Whatever you input for your contact email on this form, that's the address that the roundup of media requests will be sent to. It's also the email address that's going to be associated with your account inside this platform. And so I generally recommend using whichever email address is associated with your business domain. So go ahead and put all the rest of the information and you will create a password. After that, just confirm your non-robot status and then click sign up. Once you do that, you should see this message confirming that your sign up is successful. And they also prompt you to go check your email inbox for a confirmation email. So go ahead and do that. Once you've clicked the link in your email to confirm your basic account, the next step is to log in on the Help a Reporter Out site and select your preferences. So once you do that, you should see you're selected as a source. That's the type of account you have here. And then if you scroll down, they'll usually pre-populate some of your information into the form here, but you can go ahead and fill in anything else. You can select your time zone, your location information. Go ahead and skip this section that says reporter details and come down to the preferences section. By default, you should be subscribed to the master HARO list. What this is going to do is send you a roundup 3 times a day every weekday with media requests organized by each of the main categories. That includes high tech, general, travel, business and finance, lifestyle and fitness, and so on. Especially when you're just starting out, I recommend staying subscribed to the master list because this is going to quickly orient you to the breadth of different types of media requests that are sent out through this service. You always have the option to refine your preferences later. You can actually do that from inside every email that HARO sends out. For example, you might decide that most of the pitches that are most relevant to you tend to fall under the lifestyle and fitness category. In that case, it might make sense to refine your preferences so that you're only sent those pitches. But again, just starting out, I highly recommend you stay subscribed to the master list, as this is going to give you a big picture idea of what's out there. So go ahead and click Save and Update. And once that's done, you're all set to start reviewing media requests. Now, in their terms of service, HARO states that emails go out 3 times a day, Monday through Friday at 5:35 a.m., 12:35 p.m., and 5:35 p.m. Eastern. Until this becomes a habit for you, I recommend setting yourself some reminders so that you can be on the lookout for those emails when they come through. So now that you're all signed up, Help a Reporter Out is free for you to use whenever you're ready. But to get the best return on your time and effort, it's wise to have a solid strategy to follow as you're using it. And I would love to help you with that. So you are most welcome to join me for my upcoming workshop on using Help a Reporter Out to build genuine social proof for your business and reach new audiences with this tool. You'll learn how to save time and streamline your efforts by identifying right fit media requests to respond to. I'll share a simple template for structuring your media pitches so they stand out and increase the likelihood of being selected. You'll learn sustainable, headache free habits to help you squeeze every drop of value out of each media feature you get. And you'll learn best practices and tips for cultivating relationships with members of the media so you stay top of mind in the future. I'll be sharing all this and so much more. Plus, I'll be answering your questions live during the workshop. So sign up at the link below, and I can't wait for you to join us. Thanks so much for joining me. If you'd like more info on why Help a Reporter Out is so awesome, you can find it here. And if you found this video useful, please give it a like. That'll help other people find it too. And go ahead and hit subscribe here for new videos each week. Take care, and I'll see you soon.